how to make playlists for Reels on Facebook. Watch this video till the end. To begin with, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, click on the three horizontal lines to access more options. From there, look for the professional dashboard and click on it. Now scroll down and you will see the tool option. Just click on it. Now tap on playlist. After that, click on the create playlist button. Furthermore, select Reels playlist as the type you want to create. Now enter a catchy name for your playlist. Once you are happy with your name, hit the save button to confirm. At this point, you will be able to choose the reels you want to include in the playlist. Finally, after making your selection, hit the save button again. And there you go. This is how to make playlists for Reels on Facebook.